Hello everyone, good day. Thank you for hitting that play button. That is great of you. Okay, my name is Johnny and welcome to HomeCountry Mathematics. Let us begin. We are going to work on a short word problem. I recommend that you have your multiplication or times table memorized. This will help you quickly find the numbers or values that you're going to need to solve your problems. Good luck. The question is, 33 out of 198 students surveyed said that they preferred hockey to all other sports. What fraction of students surveyed is this? So the first number is 33. The second statement says out of. When you read or hear out of, that automatically infers division. The total number of students is 198. So this would have been the total number of students surveyed. Recall, only 33 preferred hockey to all other sports. At this point, all we need to do is reduce our fraction. Now, going to our times table quickly, we could kind of look at these numbers here. 33. I am going to automatically infer 3 is going to be a common number. Looking at the times table, 3 times 11 is 33. If you notice the pattern with numbers that have identical numeric values in the sense, this is the ones place and this is the tens place, but they have the exact same number. If you look at the pattern, you can see 11 times 2 is 22. 11 times 3 is 33. 11 times 4 is 44, and so on. The 11 times would be quick and easy to learn. Well, at least up to 10. Good luck. So our answer is going to be 3 times 11. 3 times 11 equals 33. Therefore, excuse me, I'm going to factor using 3. Now recall, if you don't find the greatest common number or the largest value initially, it is okay to reduce a second time. let us continue. So our next step is to figure out what times 3 gives us 198. This is where I'm going to do long division. Isn't this fun? Let me make it easy for you. So what we do is we look at the 3 and we go, does 3 divide into 1? Well, it does, but it gives us a decimal value. That is not what we want, because 3 is greater than 1. We won't divide right here. So what we do next is we go to the first 2 digits. And yes, 3 can divide into 19. We just need to find that number, what times 3 gets us close to 19, as close as possible without going over. Now, you should know that 3 times 6 equals 18. Looking at our times table, 3 times 6 in fact does equal 18. Going back, we got to make sure we stop before 19 and not go over. 3 times 7 is 21. That's too much. So 3 times 6, always put the number in line here, not here. And subtract. With division, you always subtract. We're left with 1. The next step is to just bring down the 8. Lo and behold, we have the same number. We know 3 times 6 is 18. Therefore, we add in another 6 and put our 18 here, then subtract. We're left with a remainder of 0. This is what we want. Okay, continuing on, that means 3 times 66 equals 198. So I could put 66 here, and now we just got to reduce. So canceling our 3's, because this is what the greatest common factor is. We want 2 common numbers that will divide with each other. As you know, 3 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. So we are left with 11 over 66. Okay? Let's go back to our times table. Recall the 11s. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66. All right, yay. That's what we're looking for. 11 times 6 equals 66. So knowing that, we're going to use 11 as our largest number. What times 11 gives us 11? That's 1. (11) being our greatest common factor now. Again, the larger the number, the faster you're going to reduce. Again, we're having to do it in 2 steps, but that is okay. 11 times 1. What times 11 gives us 66? Well, we figured that out, and that is 6. If you're uncertain and you want to make sure, just do a simple multiplication. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. Our answer here is going to be 6. Now our 11s cancel nicely, and we're left with 1 over 6. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.